Today we're reviewing Wingstop on Brian's roof for no reason at all. Now that you've heard that we're on the roof, this is Daniel, this is Marcos, and that's Brian Evans.
We're the backyardigans.
We're the backyardigans. We're gonna eat Wingstop on the roof for no reason at all.
It is truly one of the better reviews on YouTube.
And it's windy today, so that's awesome.
So let's go over our orders.
We got
there goes the receipt. Never mind.
we got the, if you can see that, we got the original spicy hot.
I got original spicy also.
Oh yeah, so we got the original. We got 15 piece, you got stupid 10 piece. And we got some seasoned fries.
Yeah!
So let's start off with these here, Marcus. How does it taste? The fucking receipt.
Right off the bat, they're really nice and sweet, good amount of salt. It tastes like the ketchup on Brian's shirt.
Yeah.
It tastes like the kind of fries my dad would make at home.
Let's try out these
Before he
ranches.
left. Oh shoot. Alright, now with ketchup though. What do you think about the fries, Brian?
I think we should have gotten the fries from In-N-Out and then come here.
You?
It's good. They put hella salt.
Really?
Yeah.
Mine don't taste that salty.
You have your own.
I'm just trying to taste, bro.
Okay, so first bite on these original spicy. Original spicy.
We're going original spicy right now?
Yeah, boneless.
Alright, boneless original spicy.
First thoughts, it hurts my cavity a lot.
What are you dipping with?
Ranch
What's your
dressing.
Copenhagen dip flavor?
Oh no, is that fucking blue cheese?
Yeah?
You better get that the fuck away from me. I will throw up.
This is ranch, okay.
Blue
so
cheese is the best.
I literally gag if I can
guys,
smell
make
it.
sure to leave a dislike for blue cheese.
Wait, no, Marcos.
Leave a comment if you like blue cheese.
Yep. Is that blue cheese?
No, this is ranch.
Okay.
Delicious.
I was about to throw you off this roof. Go bring Nicholas up here and we can do a drop test.
Wingstop has been my introduction to the wing world, and I gotta say, these like never deny or never disappoint.
It's like you as a son.
Exactly. This is not me as a son. This is
Me as a son.
like shut the up.
Spicy.
Now it's time to dip these in some blue cheese.
You better not. You better not. Sorry.
I love how the blue cheese perfectly complements the colors of.
It's just the white. It's just white. It looks exactly like ranch.
No, but this is pure white. Ranch has some little spots in it.
Yeah, it's called diversity.
The blue cheese perfectly complements the hotness of the original flavor.
What the? Why does this count as a fucking? This does not count as a wing.
That's a ball.
It's a nugget.
It's a nugget. Wait. It says chicken?
Yeah.
Why?
What?
It says chicken in it. Are you stupid?
Just spit it out.
Why does it have chicken? I'm out.
I leave it. Hey, can you bring me a cup of water?
Get some of his wings. Get some of his wings. Put this shit over here. Put some of his
Bro,
wings over
that was
here.
in his mouth over there.
Well, get the ones that weren't in his mouth. Can I put it back? Put it back. Put it back.
I like the weird like sweet flavor these things got. The fries?
The sweetness of the fries brings out the hotness of the wings, and vice versa. Is that someone's phone?
What the fuck? That was your water.
That was my water?
Yeah.
Let me show you guys where Daniel just finessed my water to. I think the dogs are on it. Hey dog, get out of the way right there. By the way, follow this dog on Instagram and follow that dog on Instagram. Hey, you're back.
Oh, shit. Yeah, I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. I'm through up.
Final thoughts on wings and fries.
Overall, the hotness of the wings brings out the sweetness of the fries, as well as the sweetness of the fries brings out the hotness of the wings, depending on whether you eat the fries first or you eat the wings first. But in overall review, Blue cheese is the best. People who eat Rand are gay.
Yeah, Marcos.
I'm gonna have to give this.
Oh, how many I would give this? I'd give this 11 McFlurgos.
What the fuck is that?
Google it.
I don't know how to spell that.
McFlurgos.
Is it that one thing from McDonald's?
That's a McDang-bang.
No! Why?
I'd give it a G for
Great.
good. Great.
Good effort.
Okay.
Good effort.
Good effort. Amazing results.
Personally, I think that Nissan's better, but whatever. We live in a world where Google owns everything, alright? Alright, pack up. We're going downstairs.
I mean, no.
You're a guy?
Oh, wait, you're doing it.
There he is. Oh no!